Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger vegetarian. We will immediately dive into selecting the best plant-based ingredients, like black beans or chickpeas, to form the base of your patty. Then, we'll explore how to combine these elements with binders and seasonings to achieve a fantastic texture and rich flavor profile. Finally, I'll share some excellent cooking tips and creative serving ideas to complete your perfect vegetarian burger experience. Selecting the right base ingredient is crucial for a great vegetarian burger. Black beans and chickpeas are popular choices, providing a robust, protein-packed foundation that holds together well. For a more savory, umami-rich experience, consider using finely chopped mushrooms, which mimic a meaty texture. Grains like quinoa or brown rice also contribute excellent structure and a satisfying chewiness to your patties. Achieving the perfect flavor and texture involves a few key steps. Binders such as breadcrumbs, oats, or a flax egg are essential for holding your patties together firmly. Don't shy away from bold seasonings. Smoked paprika, cumin, and a dash of soy sauce can elevate the taste significantly. Adding finely diced onions or bell peppers provides moisture and a pleasant textural contrast. Remember to chill your patties for at least 30 minutes before cooking for better stability. Once your patties are ready, you have several excellent cooking options. Pan frying in a tablespoon of oil creates a beautifully golden brown, crispy exterior. Baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes offers a healthier, evenly cooked patty. For a smoky depth, grilling for about 5 minutes per side works wonderfully. Serve your masterpiece on a toasted bun with fresh lettuce, tomato, onion, and a generous dollop of your favorite sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.